This quick video is about how to add YouTube search widget on iPhone home screen. Okay, let's see that. First, you need to choose where you want to add your YouTube search widget or any other widget too. You can add here, wherever you would like. For now, I want to add here. Okay. Now just long press on this empty space. Then you will see this plus icon. Touch that. For now, I want to add YouTube search widget. So touch this search bar and type YouTube. Then you will see this. Just click that. Here you can see these two types of YouTube search widget. Choose the one you want. I choose this one. Then click on Add Widget. Now hold and move like this. Then click Done. That's it. Now it's added. After this, you can directly search for any results on YouTube just here. And if you want to know more tips and tricks, quick videos about iPhone and iPad, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.